All right, this is the process I normally go through. Here I am in a Canvas. Then I'll go to the Canvas Mylab and mastering buttons. All right, here we are, something about cookies, and then it says get started. It always says get started these days, even though I've tried this several times. Anyway, so I'll either hit this or maybe I'll hit create a copy of Mylab course. It'll take us to your side, and then I'll normally, paste in this thing that our course developer put us in there. This is a little code for a course or something. Boom. I think maybe I hit it down there before, actually. Maybe, I don't know, maybe this is the better place. Whatever. Either way, it comes up. And so then here we are. Second edition, that's expired. And so, I'll select the thing, but then it tells me I have to choose a newer edition. And that's fine. And so, because I tried selecting current edition because there was an issue with that before too, because it says I can't do this, and so I know from previous experience, if I choose a new edition, what happens is what happened to me already is that I'll get a new course, but I won't have the old assignments in there that our course developer made, and I'll have to make some from scratch or something, and that's whatever. It's just not what I wanted to do. It's not actually what I'm supposed to do with this college. Anyway, so instead of select current edition, I then will choose the third or fourth edition. At first, I chose the fourth edition. Here, I'll just try it again. No, I'll do third again this time. Whatever. Um, and then you say it's instructor use versus student use. So I'll say it's a student use course, and I'll fill in these things like we do. Oh, let's get the old course name. This will work. Boom. And then course name, pasted. And then we just choose some dates at work. I'll put it from today, or tomorrow probably it'd have to be, till whenever. It's an 8-week course, so wham, wham, will put us into May. I'll just put May 20th. Give us a few extra days beyond the Canvas dates. La la la, in case there's a time zone issue or something. Sometimes I click the instructors can copy this course, sometimes don't. Then I'll hit create course. And then it says it'll email in 3 hours when that's done or sooner, and then days go by or however long goes by. And it always just, next time I go back, it just says, let's get started again, just like this, which is not what it used to do. It's not what it did the first time when I created this course using the fourth edition. But then I didn't have the assignments, I didn't have the assignments from our course developer. So then I was like, well, let's try and delete that. So I deleted the course, my first fourth edition course from you guys' side. I went into like whatever my course home page thing, I deleted that fourth edition version of the course, hoping that the third edition would have the right assignments or that I could maybe use the second edition still. But what has happened is that it's forcing me to use third or fourth edition, and worse than that, I don't get any course out of it. So now my students have nothing, and well, I'm sure you understand that. Anyway, thank you for helping me. This is what I got. Hopefully this is enough detail, and so it just keeps on saying this no matter what. It's kind of the result. Instead of having the other links that are normally on here somewhere about, syncing the grades and all this and that, whatever, assignment manager and all these things that normally show up. On my first attempt, it showed up. After that, I deleted it. Then nothing is happening every time I try and create now. Anyway, thank you.